All right, welcome back, Smart Money Gang. You already know what it is, man. It's your boy SMSFX Ken. If you don't know, SMSFXmentors.com. Go ahead over there to the site. Check it out, man. That's if you want private mentorship so you can understand my methodology and my psychology of each and every day that I'm profitable into those markets, right? So, guys, man, today is a crazy video because y'all already know, right? Y'all about to step into the mind of a financial genius. No, hey, short disclaimer, guys. I'm not a financial advisor at all, guys. But I do offer mentorship, right, to teach you guys how I'm profitable in the markets each and every day, guys, to be consistent, how to compound, how to actually come up with a trading plan, an actual trading strategy for you that fits your need, fits your budget, fits your time frame, and also, proper risk management along the way with a nice risk to reward ratio so that we can compound and grow the account, right? Whether it's flipping, scalping, swing trading, intraday trading, and things of that nature, guys, you will understand what works for you. And I shorten your learning curve, guys. That's so, if you're interested in that, man, SMSFXmentors.com. Hey, but guess what? You can also join the free group, right, where we just talk about sentimental value, right? And, we go over different things, right, as far as the market, right? Fundamentals, analysis, all of that, right? So go ahead and check it out, right, on the website, smsfxmentors.com, man. But look, if you are new here, man, like, share, subscribe, right? Tell a friend to tell a friend, right? Forex might not be for you, but it might be for the next person, guys. Also, guys, I definitely can show you guys different things if you do not want to learn Forex. Anything about the financial market, though, I can give you guys advice about, and shorten your learning curve, right? Or just lead you to the right directions, right? That's cool. If you interested, right, just hit the link in the description below. SMSFX Mentors. So today, man, is pre-market analysis, guys. So we're gonna do a pre-market analysis, right? And basically, with this pre-market analysis, we will be going over, just a couple pairs, right? And we're gonna basically go over these pairs and actually get some trading ideas from this. So I love you guys to death. But I do have to put the timer on there, guys, because I don't want these videos to be crazy and to where the point where you like, hey, you're done. You can't watch it all the way through, right? I want you guys to be able to watch these videos all the way through, actually understand these videos, and and um and things of that nature. All right, guys. So let's get right into it. So this is the pre-market, guys. This is the pre-market. And we're about to check out, the pre-market analysis. All right. So we're gonna do an odd first, which is the cousin. I usually do the brother. NZD, but we'll come back to NZD. All right. And then we'll just go over here to the cousin. So basically, what I have here. I already have everything marked up as the same as it was last week, right? So we know that, we understand that. So now we're just keeping up with, New Zealand, man, or Australia. So New Zealand was very volatile, guys. I kind of like that pair now. So that pair is like really volatile. I be giving y'all the love, man. I know y'all done ran it up. So y'all should be able to afford the course, right? Or find you a mentor. Go seek a mentor that can help you guys go get to that next level, right? This is just beginner help right here. This is just things that you should ought to know. But when you want the sauce, and I'm not saying like it's some secret sauce, guys, so not saying that, but when you really want to get serious about your trading and really want to take this professionally and be like, business oriented about it, then come see your boy, right? SMSFXmentors.com. All right, so pre-market analysis, right? So pre-market analysis, what I have and what I still have is a high of the 76,000 level. Then we got, another high, 75,000 level. Then we had this indecisive area, or, was a supported area, but now it looks as if it's a resistance area. So we have a resistance area at the 74,000 level. So, me looking at that, and me seeing price close below the 74,000 level, it's giving me, vibes that maybe price want to go down, right? In a downtrend, guys, or hey, since it didn't make a lower high or anything like that, price could form, support around here, gain support around here, and push up to the upside. If it do, I would take it up to the 75,000 level or back up to the 76,000 level. Then if it breaks these levels, then I'll take it back up to the 79,000 level, all the way back up to this 8,000 level. So nothing really changed there. But if it did not do any of that and it formed, lower lows, right, lower highs and things of that nature, and it didn't get past the 74,000 level, this is how my exact setup would be, and I'll show you guys where I would enter, right? So I love you guys, man. I'm always putting you guys up on game. So this is how my trade will go. This is how it will look. So basically, this is not telling you, hey, this is how it's gonna go. This is just what I would imagine from the break. So this would be my first take profit here at the 73,000 level. I would put my stops, above here. And then, I would, first take profit. Then I would do second take profit. Excuse me, right here. And then, if I wanted to do third take profit, it'd be down here at this 7,000 level. At the 7,000 level right here. So right there, boom, and then I would take it down to about right up in here. So this is how it will go. I would say, hey, boom, first take profit. If price start rejecting here, pushing up to the upside, then I will close my trades, of course, because I would take my profit here, or I will move my stop here. If not, if price break through here, then I'm gonna try to for the second take profit. Same thing, vice versa. If it breaks, start acting crazy, gaining support here, and start pushing back up, then boom, I'll close my trade, or I'll move my stop here and let it boom hit my stop and let me get out. Or if it start breaking through here and it start continuing down to the downside, then I will, of course, move my stop here or get another entry in, and I will take it all the way back down to this 07,000 level, guys. So that's easy, simple breakdowns, and how I would look at it and how I would try to, practice on looking at price, guys. This is what I would do first. So that would be first, second, and then third take profits, right? So, just paying attention to, structure and things of that nature. We are kind of low on the stochastic, so we might get a breakout. Maybe price might start going up to this way. So, it would be the same. It could be the same. Situation here going to the upside. So I would, put a long position in, first take profit, second take profit, third take profit. So that's what really Forex is about, right? Just understanding what price could do, where price could go, right? So price could go up or down. So it's no, so I know it may seem like, wait, what you said that it's going to go do this or it's going to go do that. It's really no certainty, guys, because price could definitely come to this blue zone right here, come back down to that zone, and then we can come back down to this supported zone right here, right, and start pushing off of this zone, right? So, this is support, resistance area, and then we got our final third resistance area at the top. So if price stay below this area, then we know we got, we probably got a chance to reach the 07,000 level. If price start breaking above this area, then we might got a chance reaching this 79,000, 8,000 level, right? So now, boom. Now we just go down to the breakdown. We'll go to NZD. All right, so we got our main key levels on there. You already know the key level 67,500. Then we got minor level 68,500, 69,500 key level, 7,500, and then we got 71,500 as a key level. All right, so now we know how many pips we're working in, and boom. So we here and we stuck at this 69,800 level. We seen price break through here, but didn't quite get to the 7,000 level right here. So it looked like a rejection right here. So we're gonna try to see if prices, usually all in NZD move just alike. So if price does not break this 69,800 level or get above this level and start going to the upside, then my trades would look like this. I'll put a stop right above here. Right above here. Excuse me. And then this would be first take profit here, or wait, this would be first take profit here, right there. Then where I would have second take profit would be here, and then where I would have third take profit, boom, which would be here. Feel me? So boom, that's how I would do it. Boom, 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 boom. Now, The same thing will work vice versa, you know, going the opposite way, guys. So if I wanted to, if I seen price breaking above here, holding support here somewhere, then I would take price to this 7,500 level, or to the 7,100 level, or to the 71,500 level, or to the 72,500 level. So my entries are just important. My exits are just important as my entries. I have to understand where price where price is going, so that I can actually get an exit, right? So basically, guys, what I want you to do is, while you have this time, and I basically put you, you know, 5 years ahead right now. No, I'm just joking. I actually put you some time ahead, right? So I got you with the you know, with the analysis, right? So the technicals, we got the technicals out the way. Now you need to go and do your research, right, on these pairs. So you need to understand these pairs, understand their country, understand what's going on in their country, and things of that nature, and you know, check it out, right? So SMSFXmentors.com, man. If you want private mentorship, so you can actually scale in and break down to see what's going on, then you know, you can do that, guys. You know, you can actually, you know, get in tune with me. We can give you a full breakdown, you know, within however much time limit you need, right? We can actually sit down one-on-one, get you a trading strategy going on, get you a plan, a proper risk management, risk to reward ratio going on, and then we can, you know, we can liven up your account, man. Then we can open up a demo, and then get you started in the demo. Then once you get a demo and you get your strategy down packed, then we can open up, you know, a funded account, guys. So, you know, let's get it, man. Y'all know what time it is, man. See, I did this without any, you know, without any, you know, EMAs on. So, you know, these are just extra confirmation, guys. So SMSFXmentors.com, man. Y'all already know I always throw in the jewel when you make it to the end, man. So let's get it, man. Screenshot, Snapchat, whatever you want to do, man. Y'all already know, man. It's your boy. I'm the first to do it. Let's get it, gang.